Mélisande Rouger, Editor-in-Chief of Diagnostic Imaging Europe. I'm here today with Dr. Ankur Sharma. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So AI remains a hot topic in radiology, and it's certainly high on the agenda of ECR 2023. What is your impression of the AI content at the Congress this year?
I think it's great. AI is off and running. If you just go back last year or the year before and you look at the AI vendors and applications that were here, the speaking sessions that were on AI, and kind of the topics and questions and discussions around AI and where it could be implemented and used in radiology, to what this year is, where there's just a massive number of these sessions. The AI theater itself is packed in every session that I've been to.
True.
And the AI space is full and might be more than the traditional radiology companies this year. So I think AI has landed in full force at ECR this year and kind of staked its claim.
Definitely agree with you. The hall is full. The AI theater is standing. People have to stand, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bayer recently made headlines by acquiring Blackford Analysis. So what was the rationale behind this?
So I think it's a very logical conclusion for Bayer to make, because Bayer is an established leader in the radiology space. Bayer wants to lead in the AI space in radiology, and Blackford is an established leader in the AI space. They have over 10 years of experience in the US and UK, over 90 partner applications on their platform, and the expertise that they bring complements what we're bringing with our Calantic platform, as well as showing that Bayer is really serious about investing in AI and bringing the best solutions for our customers and patients.
Great. The market for AI-supported medical imaging is highly competitive. You have, well, we mentioned that in the AI theater, there are startups, there are IT companies, they're upgrading. So why do you think Bayer can stand out from the crowd?
So you're right, there's a lot of companies and startups and IT companies, they're all out there. And they understand the IT piece and how to develop AI, and they have scientists and computer engineers. What they don't have, which is super critical to deploying anything in medicine, is clinical expertise. Bayer has a long established history as a provider in radiology as well as pharmacology, right? We have a core business in pharmaceuticals that makes us leaders in understanding how radiologists and physicians think, what are their needs and where are their patient touch points. And all those factors are really important to understand when you want to deliver something that is useful and beneficial to make an impact on the overall patient journey.
Great. From your point of view, will AI ever replace radiologists?
No. Simple answer, no. But if you want a more complicated answer,
give us some more details?
So I think the nuance is that if you think about radiology or any medical practice, physicians have tools. And even if you just think about radiology in terms of modalities have evolved over the decades. And even established like CT and MR are changing and evolving with more images, more nuance and more detail. AI is a tool for the radiologists. Radiologists are really good at adapting technology and using that to their benefit and getting the best things out for their patients. And using AI as a tool allows them to better focus on what they need to do for individual patients. So deploying the right tool at the right place is incredibly important. And there's no way to replace the human in that. The tool can't run by itself.
Oh, nicely put. So we're talking about a lot about AI, but Bayer is so much more. Can you remind us what the pillars of the company are?
Well, I think in the radiology, the core pillars are our focus on diseases, from our expertise in contrast media and injectors, and how that all combines together to deliver the right thing for the patient journey, from when they want to come in for a diagnosis all the way out to treatment and monitoring, is all tied together. Different needs along the entire pathway, and Bayer touches along that entire patient journey. And radiologists guide the patients through this entire imaging process. And that's where all of the different contrasts, injectors, and AI play a role.
Thank you so much for your enlightening answers.
Thank you for having me. It's been fun.
Okay, that was Mélisande Rouger signing off for Diagnostic Imaging Europe. Thanks.